Hey guys, Brent here. I wanted to give you a little behind the curtain look at bootcamp just to make sure that it's right for you. So let's jump right in. All right, so when you purchase bootcamp, you get this little bootcamp icon here in your purchase courses. Simply click on that and you go to your BootCamp Academy. So there's basically two sections in the BootCamp Academy. There's Ask the Expert, which is Ask Me, and my photo friends. You can ask me anything, or you go to the current BootCamp Challenge and Masterclass. So I'll take you to the very first one just to give you a look at what happens behind the scenes here. So basically, the first Masterclass was the Passion Project. So there's a Masterclass and Challenge. It's like a 10-minute video teaching you what you need to know and discussing what the challenge is. And you can download that as a PDF masterclass too. And then there's the challenge and the magazine that comes from the challenge. So here's a magazine. That's the front cover. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Let's let that download. And there's the challenge. So the first challenge was to choose your passion project, schedule it in, and then post your images below. And you'll see all the images below at 1,300 comments, or almost 1,400 comments from members in bootcamp, posting their images and people comment on them. So there's a couple over there. Let's have a look at the magazine that comes out of it. So here's the very first magazine. There's a little thing from me over there. There's a bit about your passion project. So basically a summary of the lesson, what the passion project is all about. And then we go into the members' images. So we chose the best images and the best comments from members in that challenge for that month. So when you join bootcamp, you can post your images, post comments, and the best comments and the best images get into that next month's magazine. So how cool is that? That's amazing. So there we go. I've even got some before and after images of where I've helped people. And we choose a featured artist. So I'll scroll down to that. I know this is going really fast, guys, but I want to make this video fast. So our very first featured artist was Christine Rocher from Australia, from Western Australia, actually. And then we've got a little interview over here with Christine, her images, what inspires her, all that good stuff. And that's bootcamp, a little behind the scenes look. And let's have a look at the current month when as of the date of recording this video. The current month is the next master class and challenge, which was a little bit longer. It was 16 minutes. It was all about light, hard, and soft light. I want to give you, like a really condensed version of the class. So like just the things you need to know, and then just the things you need to do to improve your photography. So the bootcamp challenge is the stuff that you actually need to go and take action on to improve your photography. So this challenge was all about shooting hard and soft light in your neighborhood, somewhere close to you, and then post your image below. And already, and look, we're not even halfway through the month, I've already got almost 500 comments over here, people posting their images, as you can see, comments on the images. And, I comment on images too. I comment on everyone's image, give you all feedback. You can see some of the images here that people are posting. I'll load some more. And it's just amazing. I'm loving it. I'm using a plugin called Discuss at the bottom here, so you can keep track of whose images you commented on, who's commented on your images. Basically, that's it, the look, kind of the behind the scenes look at what's happening in bootcamp. And basically what bootcamp is it's a place where you can interact with other friendly, like-minded photographers who are all there to help each other. There's no negativity in bootcamp. I won't allow it. If there's any negativity, I just kick the person out. There's no trolls. I give you personal feedback on your images. I've got a challenge, so you've got something to aim for, to go out, get out of your comfort zone a little bit. Do something that maybe you haven't done before, but everyone else is doing it at the same time. Post your images, get feedback from everyone else, get feedback from me, and then be published in the bootcamp magazine. That's basically what it is. So what you need to do now is decide if you want to be part of bootcamp. And, according to me or I'm being totally honest with you guys. I think this is the best way for you to improve your photography. There's you got to get feedback on your images, not just from family and friends. You got to get it from professionals and other people that are learning with you. Get feedback, and that's the best way to improve your photography. And the bonus is you get published in a magazine too. So if you want to get in, click the link below. Once you're in the bootcamp waiting list to get in, as soon as I open the enrollment, and I open it from time to time every few months, jump right in, because I'll only open it for a short amount of time. Jump right in, get in, join bootcamp, and I'll see you on the inside. This is Brent. Have an awesome day.